Welcome to Storyingvo. Buckle up, everyone, because this story is about to take you on a thrilling ride. Let's dive right in. As you may have heard, in April 2025, the United States government introduced steep new taxes on various goods imported from China. These taxes, known as tariffs, sparked a major trade dispute between the US and China, which many in China dubbed a trade war. The news spread like wildfire online, and people in China were quick to express their frustration with the US tariffs. Before long, they turned to artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, to voice their opinions. AI allows computers to think creatively and generate content, and people used AI tools to craft humorous pictures and videos about the situation. These AI-generated creations poked fun at how the tariffs might impact Americans. Many of the videos and images depicted US workers looking exhausted or downcast. For instance, some viral videos showed Americans slowly assembling smartphones, while others portrayed them stitching clothes in factories, implying that the tariffs were making life tougher for American workers. Some AI videos were incredibly imaginative, showing famous American superheroes toiling away as factory workers, or well-known US business tycoons like Jeff Bezos and political figures hunched over sewing machines. The primary aim of these AI creations was to mock the United States and highlight the challenges caused by its tariffs. The humorous AI videos and images spread rapidly across Chinese social media platforms, particularly on two major apps, Weibo and Douyin. Millions of people viewed these videos, leaving countless comments and sharing them with friends, turning it into a massive online trend. Popular hashtags emerged, starting with the symbol to help users find related posts. One trending hashtag was "America fights trade war but begs for rice," a playful jab suggesting that the US might struggle with essentials like food prices due to the trade war. Another widely used hashtag, "Trade barriers can't stop global trade," reflected the sentiment that global commerce would persist despite the tariffs. Through these AI creations and hashtags, people expressed their disagreement with the US policies while showcasing their pride in China, using humor to join the global conversation about this international issue. Two particularly funny videos went viral across Chinese websites and apps like Weibo and Douyin. Weibo, similar to Twitter, was flooded with humorous images and short posts, often tagged with hashtags about the videos. Douyin, China's equivalent of TikTok, became a hub for short, funny clips mocking the US situation, racking up millions of views in no time. One video featured American superheroes, but instead of saving the day, they were slaving away in factories, set to a classic 1950s Chinese song about resilient workers. Another clip, which gained over 7 million views, showed American workers laboring in a factory setting. These videos also appeared on other platforms like Bibo, a site for longer videos and animations, and Q, a platform where users discussed the humorous content. Even on Xiaohongshu, an app typically focused on lifestyle and shopping, people shared and talked about these funny creations. The videos became a viral sensation, creating a buzz across China's internet like a major online event. Even official news outlets, part of China's government media, got in on the trend. A government spokesperson shared an image of a famous red American hat with a "Made in China" label and a jacked-up price tag. State media also produced their own satirical AI videos, criticizing the US trade policies and claiming they would backfire on America. These actions showed just how widespread the videos had become. They were a hot topic online for weeks, amassing millions of views across various Chinese platforms. So, who created these viral videos? A mix of people contributed, mostly regular internet users in China. Some creators are known by their online aliases, like Zhanggaiti8 and Buddha Wang Wang. Buddha Wang Wang, a 37-year-old man, previously worked for a tech company in Texas, but returned to China, wanting to challenge Western perspectives. His videos gained massive popularity, with tens of millions of views on platforms like Douyin. These creators used advanced AI tools to make their videos look realistic. AI technology can generate lifelike images and mimic voices. For example, one video used AI to replicate Donald Trump's voice and mannerisms, even giving him an exaggerated orange hue. Another showed Trump seemingly bowing to a historical Chinese figure, while others featured Chinese voices speaking flawless English. The AI tools behind these videos are quite sophisticated. Major Chinese tech companies have developed powerful AI video programs that can animate a single photo of a person realistically. Popular mobile editing apps like CapCut, created by ByteDance, now include AI features, making it easy for anyone to produce such content on their smartphones. Other tools can replicate voices, allowing users to mimic anyone's speech. While we don't know the exact app used for each video, it's clear that creators relied on these cutting-edge AI models. Making political satire videos is now simpler than ever. No need for professional filmmaking skills, expensive cameras, or powerful computers. Anyone with a smartphone can whip up a realistic-looking video in minutes. These videos don't even need to be flawless. As people scroll quickly through apps like Douyin, they often overlook minor imperfections, helping the content go viral rapidly. AI has revolutionized how political humor and opinions are created and shared online. Beyond the humor, financial experts are focusing on the real economic fallout from the US tariffs. They warn that these tariffs could hurt American consumers, driving up prices for goods like electronics, clothing, and more. Economist Jannt Menon notes that the US no longer has the large-scale factories it once did, having shifted away from such manufacturing. China, on the other hand, excels at producing these goods efficiently. Another economist, Yuan Li, explains that China's integrated supply chain, its massive factories and streamlined production processes, allows it to manufacture products at a lower cost. Producing the same goods in the US would be pricier due to higher labor costs and material expenses. Even if some jobs return to the US, experts predict that consumer prices will still rise, as building new factories quickly isn't cheap or easy. This could slow the American economy, especially since reports already showed sluggish growth in early 2025. Wall Street saw a dip after the tariffs were announced, and there's concern about worsening inflation. Jerome Powell, head of the US Central Bank, has flagged this as a significant risk. Social media experts also analyze these videos. Professor Gwen Bouvier believes the humor reflects Chinese pride, but also hints at underlying anxiety. China relies heavily on exporting goods, and a trade war could impact jobs and the economy. The videos might be a way for people to mask their worries while projecting strength. While the online jokes are entertaining, experts highlight the serious economic challenges ahead, particularly for the US, warning that the humor might distract from these pressing financial issues. Social media researchers note that the AI videos reveal deep emotions among Chinese people, particularly national pride. The videos often portray China as smart and resilient, while ridiculing American leaders and policies, sometimes responding directly to US political statements. This satire helps people feel that China is standing up to the US. However, experts suggest there's more beneath the surface. Many in China might also be anxious about the trade war's impact on their jobs and economy, given China's reliance on global exports. The videos serve as a way to express this mix of pride and concern. Political bloggers in China argue that the videos expose US missteps, framing the tariffs as a sign of weakness. They echo the government's stance that the US actions are unjust, with some bloggers emphasizing China's role in producing essential global goods, asserting that China won't be easily swayed. The videos amplify these ideas in a light-hearted way, fostering a sense of unity against the tariffs. With hundreds of millions of hashtag views, these feelings of pride, worry, and defiance are clearly widespread online in China. The Chinese government is closely monitoring these AI videos and generally permits them, as they align with its narrative of portraying the US as misguided. The videos make the US appear foolish, boosting Chinese morale. Official outlets, like the Foreign Ministry, even shared similar content, such as an image of a pricey Made in China hat. However, the government is strict about criticism of China's own issues posts, questioning the trade war strategy, or highlighting domestic economic struggles are quickly censored. This shows a clear boundary. Mocking the US is acceptable, but challenging the Chinese government is not. The videos serve as a tool to project public support for the government's stance, blending humor with controlled messaging. Using AI to create online satire isn't entirely new in China, but it's now faster and more accessible. Previously, creating quality content required technical skills and time. Now, AI tools allow anyone to produce realistic videos in minutes using simple smartphone apps. This ease of creation amplifies nationalistic messages as more people can participate in spreading these ideas. However, AI also blurs the line between real and fake videos that look authentic can spread misinformation, making it harder to discern truth online. This democratization of content creation means more ordinary users are now message spreaders, accelerating the reach of government-friendly narratives and reshaping online political discourse. These AI videos highlight Chinese creativity and discontent with US tariffs, using humor to cope with a tense situation. However, they also mix satire with real political issues, sometimes spreading misleading ideas due to their realistic appearance. This AI-driven satire is a powerful tool, allowing widespread expression through technology, but it carries risks, like distorting reality and complicating international dialogue. It shows both the ingenuity of people and the potential for misinformation in the digital age. What do you think the biggest impact of these AI videos is? Before you go, if you found this story insightful, please give this video a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. It takes just a moment, and it helps us create even better stories for you. Your support means everything. Thank you. Thanks for staying until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a new story. Have an amazing day, take care, and see you next time.